Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Connect. In this video, we are going to learn how to create Microsoft Teams Chatbot using ChatGPT. Here my objective is that as soon as I'm going to receive a new message on my Microsoft Teams, automatically and reply should be generated by using ChatGPT for that same message, and then the same reply should be sent on that same team. So how we are going to automate this entire process? For this, we will have to set up a connection between all these applications, and that we are going to do without any coding or programming skills with the help of Pabbly Connect. So here we have Microsoft Teams in our trigger, and then we have OpenAI, that means ChatGPT, as well as Microsoft Teams once again in our action. So we are going to connect all of them by using Pabbly Connect in order to automate this entire process. And to learn this entire automation step by step, let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn that how can we automatically create a ChatGPT chatbot for Microsoft Teams. So my objective is that as soon as I'm going to receive a new message by a team member on Microsoft Teams, automatically a reply will be generated for that message by using ChatGPT, and then the same generated reply will be sent again on my Microsoft Teams. Okay, so we are going to create this automation without any coding or programming skills by setting up a connection between Microsoft Teams and ChatGPT, and that we are going to do without any coding or programming skills with the help of this amazing software named as Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is a software which allows us to automate all our tasks by connecting multiple applications. Now here, this is the homepage of Pabbly Connect, where we can reach by typing this URL pabbly.com/connect. After coming here, we can find two options: sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, you can directly click on sign in, but if you are a new user, you have to click on sign up for free button to create your free new account. Also, when you will create your account, you will get 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software and to test multiple automations. Now, as an existing user, I'm directly clicking on sign in. This is the All Apps section where we can find all the products which are offered by Pabbly. To create this automation, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So let's click on Access now. And it has taken us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now here on the dashboard, we can find all of our workflows which we have created, and we can also create folders here to save the workflows. Now to create a new workflow, we are going to click on this create workflow option. Let's do that, and here a dialog box will appear in front of us which is asking us to provide a name to this workflow. So first of all, let us provide a name over here. Create a ChatGPT chatbot for Microsoft Teams. After giving the name, we can also select the folder in which we want to save the workflow. So from the drop down, I have selected this test integrations folder, and now let's click on create. As we do that, we can find that two windows are open in front of us. First is the trigger and the other is action. Now what are trigger and actions? Trigger and actions are the two concepts or the principles on which the entire automation runs. Here the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. That means the action is the response towards our trigger. Whatever we are going to select in our trigger is going to command the entire workflow, and the actions are going to follow that same command. Therefore, we can have only one trigger in any workflow, but we can have multiple actions as we want. Now let's suppose we are going to take Microsoft Teams in our trigger and ChatGPT in our action, and we want that as soon as we are going to receive a new message on our Microsoft Teams, automatically in the response to that, the reply should be generated for that message with the help of ChatGPT. Okay, so we can find that our action is a response towards our trigger. Now after understanding this concept, let's start creating the workflow step by step. First of all, we will select our trigger, and that is Microsoft Teams. Now we will select the trigger event. Now what is trigger event? Trigger event is the event on the happening of which the workflow is going to start or trigger. So here our trigger event will be new channel message. So whenever a new message will be received on our Microsoft Teams channel, the response will be captured automatically here in Pabbly Connect, and with that response, the workflow will get triggered. We will click on connect, and now from the given options, I am going to select this add new connection to build a new connection with Microsoft Teams account. We will click on connect with Microsoft Teams. And now Pabbly Connect is asking us for the permission to access our Microsoft account. Let's click on accept as it is 100% safe. And with this, we can find that our authorization has become successful. And now Microsoft Teams is successfully connected with Pabbly Connect. After building the connection here, we can find that it is asking two details: Teams and the channel from which we want to receive the response. Okay, so I'm going to take you towards my Microsoft Teams account, and these are the teams: Digital Initiative, Public Relations, Mark 8 Project Team, US Sales, Retail, Pabbly Connect, and etc. Okay, and all these are channel: General, Ask Images, Pabbly Team, Parampara Reviews, etc. Okay, so you can create a new team also by clicking on this plus sign according to your choice. I am going to select the team which I have recently created, named as Pabbly Connect team. So the channel of this team is General, and now I want that as soon as I'm going to receive a new message on this particular team, the response of that message should be automatically captured in Pabbly Connect. For that, we are going to connect the same team here in Pabbly Connect. Let's select that from the drop down, Pabbly Connect team. and we can find that the channel is already selected. Now we are going to click on the save and send test request buttons. So as soon as we are going to do that, we are going to receive the response of the last sent message on our team. Because Microsoft Teams is based on 8 hours polling time, therefore Pabbly Connect is going to capture the new response from the team after 8 hours. Okay, so I'm going to click on this save and send test request button, but before that I'm going to send a new message over here. Let's click on the start a post button, and let's say here I'm going to type a message. The subject of the message will be generate answer, and here I'm going to enter a message. How can we increase views on our YouTube videos? Okay, this is just a random message. I'm going to click on post, and as soon as we have submitted the message, let's go back towards Pabbly Connect, and now I'm going to click on save and send test request button. As we have done that, we can find that we have received the response. In the response, we have received all the details. Here is the subject, generate answer. The message type is message. The language code is English. And here is the message content. How can we increase views on our YouTube videos? So what we are going to do, we are going to generate the reply for this message which we have received recently on Microsoft Teams by using ChatGPT. But before that, we can find that the message is received along with the HTML tag. So I'm going to remove the HTML tag. So I'm going to first remove the HTML tags from this message by using text formatter by Pabbly. So in my action application here, I'm going to select text formatter. So text formatter is an amazing feature by Pabbly which allows us to format the text according to our choice. Now the action event here will be text parser, and with the help of this text parser, we are going to fetch out the exact text which we want from the long text. Okay, now here it is asking what text you want to parse. We want to parse the text which we have already received from Microsoft Teams. So we will simply map that text over here. Mapping is inserting data from previous step. Here our previous step is given, and here is the data. Let's select it, and it is mapped. So when we have mapped this message, it has become dynamic now, and it is going to change with each and every response now. Okay, so now whenever we are going to receive a new message on our Microsoft Teams, automatically this message is going to be replaced with that new message. But in case if we will enter it manually, then it will become static, and then it is not going to change with each and every response. Therefore, in order to automate the entire process, we have used mapping. Now it is asking us text match after and the text match before. So our text, how can we increase views on our YouTube videos, is given after this paragraph tag. So here I'm going to enter the paragraph tag with a small p. Okay, and the next is the text match before. So the text is given before the end paragraph tag. So once again, I'm going to enter a bracket, the end slash p and bracket close. Okay, now we are going to click on save and send test request button. And here is the response. In the response, we have received the exact text which we want. Now by using this text, we are going to generate the reply for this by using ChatGPT. So we are going to connect ChatGPT with Pabbly Connect. We will click on this add action step button. And here in the action application, we are going to search for OpenAI. Okay, now the action event will be ChatGPT. We will click on connect, and now because I've already built the connection with my OpenAI account, I'm going to select my existing connection. For building a new connection, you need to click on this add new connection button, and then you have to provide the token. For finding the token, first of all, you need to log into your OpenAI application, and then you have to click on this hyperlink. Once you will do that, it is going to take you towards the API key page of OpenAI. From there, you can generate your token and paste it over here. So let me click on this existing connection, and we will click on save. And our OpenAI account is successfully connected with Pabbly Connect. Now we will move further, and now here we need to select the model by using which we want to generate the content. So I'm going to select this ChatGPT 3.5 Turbo, and here is the most important step. We need to provide the prompt. Prompt is the command which we need to provide to ChatGPT what we want it to do for us. We want to generate the reply for the message which we have received. So here I'm simply going to enter generate a reply for, and I will simply map the message which we have already parsed. Okay, so generate a reply for this message. Now we are going to click on save and send test request button. And here we have received the response. In the response, we have received the correct reply. There are several methods you can implement to increase views on your YouTube videos. Here are some proven strategies. Optimize your video title and description. So this is a unique reply. Now we want to send the same generated reply once again on our Microsoft Teams. For that, once again, we are going to connect Microsoft Teams with Pabbly Connect. Let's click on this add action step button. And here I'm going to select Microsoft Teams once again. We will select the action event, that is send message in a channel. We will click on connect, and here from the given options, I'm going to select existing connection as we have already built the connection with Microsoft Teams. We will click on save, And with this, Microsoft Teams is successfully once again connected with Pabbly Connect. So let us select the team, that is Pabbly Connect Teams over here. And here the channel is already selected. Now we are going to enter the message which we want to send. So we want to send the message which we have generated recently by using ChatGPT. Let us select it and it is mapped. Let's click on Save and Send Test Request button, and here is the response, and this is the ID. So let's go and check on our Microsoft Teams, and yes, we can find that here we have received the reply. This is the same message which we have recently generated by using ChatGPT. That means our workflow is perfectly successful, and we have built a successful connection between Microsoft Teams and ChatGPT. We will go back towards Pabbly Connect and we will summarize what we have done here in the workflow. So we have taken simple steps, trigger and actions. In trigger, we have taken Microsoft Teams, and in action, we have taken text formatter by Pabbly, OpenAI, that means ChatGPT, and Microsoft Teams once again. And we have connected all of them by using Pabbly Connect in such a way that now whenever a new message will be received on our Microsoft Teams channel, automatically a reply will be generated for that same message, and then the same generated reply will be automatically sent on our Microsoft Teams once again. Okay, in the same manner, you can very easily create this automation for creating automated chatbot by using ChatGPT for Microsoft Teams. Okay, this was it in this video. I hope this was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate many other applications by using Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can directly reach out to us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any query, you can reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you want to ask any pricing related issue, then you can directly reach out to the website given over here. Now, if you find this video helpful in any way, do not forget to share it with your friends. And also, please like our videos and subscribe our channel to learn more such automations.